We help people create estate plans that actually work when their families need it most, especially in times of death and incapacity. This really stems from my childhood. Growing up, my dad worked extremely hard for everything that he had, and later on in life when he started a family, has mom, has me, wants to do the responsible thing and go to this estate planning attorney and make sure that if something were to happen to him, we'd be okay. So he did, but unfortunately when my dad died, completely out of the blue at 47, my mom still had to go through almost 3 years of probate court, and she had to spend $55,000 on a probate attorney by the end of it. It was crazy because since Dad had an estate plan in place, it ended up not being created in a way that was actually going to work, and I thought it was just malpractice by a one-off attorney, maybe not looking at the paperwork right. But after being in the industry and just seeing the estate plans that come through our office, it turns out it wasn't malpractice at all, just common practice. The plan was just built wrong. That kind of gets into the dirty little secret of why most estate plans fail, because we have a big problem in the estate planning industry where you got a lot of law firms out there that push you into the same dirty templated plan they gave every other Tom, Dick, and Harry down the street, and they also don't have a structure in place to support keeping in touch with clients throughout the rest of their life to ensure that, yes, the plan actually keeps pace with changes that occur in your life. I built this entire firm to make sure that what happened to my mom and my family never happens to you and your family. We know exactly why all the reasons why estate plans fail, and I have created structures and a system in place that I've trained my staff on, that we have a proven process to make sure that your plan will actually work. People who own homes, have children, they have assets, they have loved ones that they know they want to pass those assets on to. We serve regular working families all throughout the state of Ohio, Florida, and Texas. They built some assets, built some wealth, want to make sure that it's protected. Their kids being left with a complete mess after they die, how they will be remembered after they're no longer around. Everything that they did, working 9 to 5, schlepping it in traffic for 20 minutes, maybe an hour commute to and fro, was actually worth it and meant something. All throughout, the end of our process, because we always ask our clients, hey, what did you like best about working with us on our firm? A lot of our clients will say that, we really appreciate all the hard work that you did. You answered all of our calls. We always knew what you were doing at every step of the way. You never talk over our heads at any point. You answered all the questions that we had. We have such peace of mind now knowing that our kids are taken care of. This is such a weight off our chest. We had tried doing this for years, and I couldn't believe how convenient you made this entire thing, because we can literally bring our law firm to your living room to make getting a comprehensive estate plan in place as easy as possible to do. Encouragement that I want to give people who may be a little bit on the fence with working with us is just remember why we're doing this and why you're even on, maybe even looking at this interview right now. This is not even about you. This is about your kids. This is about the people you love most. The benefit is really for your kids, and making sure that, again, you're protecting your legacy, their inheritance, and their future. What I'm excited about now is expanding. We're in 3 states right now, and we are going to be expanding across the nation, trying to help as many people as we can, as many families as we can. We come to you. We can serve you from the comfort of your own home. We can help you actually get this done with actual milestones that we all can commit to and work together as a team to make sure that your kids are actually protected. Breaks my heart, because at the end of the day, their kids are very likely going to have to go through exactly what my mom went through. Years stuck in a court battle, thousands of dollars needing to be paid just to get assets you leave behind. God only knows, losing inheritances, and if you ever got sued or in a divorce situation, it's a real shame, because really what you're investing with the estate plan that we can provide at our law firm is an investment that actually is designed to save your kids substantially more time and substantially more money than you would be paying us. And sometimes people don't see that, and we understand, but I just feel for them.